put those other two on this side, because this side just literally looks like it missed leg day, and this side looks like an M2, all beefy and just so good. All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. In this episode, we don't get a lot of work done, but I felt like this episode was something I was obligated to make for you guys, just because a lot of you guys have been commenting about it and requesting about it. So stay tuned. And per request, a lot of you guys were asking for some exhaust sounds. So let's go outside and I'll give you some gnarly sends and see if you guys like it. Let's go. I'm gonna hide the wheels because the wheels are already on the car, so can't see anything. Just like a back angle right here. Right here. That sounds insane. All right, guys, well, we are now on our way to pick up some new wheels for the M2. When I revealed the other wheels, I got a bunch of hateful comments, and honestly, I think I told you guys earlier that those were just temporary wheels just to get the car rolling and on the frame machine. So now we're actually picking up basically a fresh set of wheels. There's only a tiny bit of curbing on one, and it's super minimal. So yeah, we're pulling up to the house right now. We're in this huge Dodge Ram right now. Look at this thing, man. This thing, send it. Yeah. Anyways, guys, let's go see what we can pay for these wheels. Hopefully we get a solid bargain, because these wheels are just gonna decorate the car and make it look just perfect. Let's go. So these are off your M4?
Yeah.
That's the front one. Yeah, the rear ones are basically shot. Man, these are like mint. Dude, look at
tires,
these.
so I kind of had some fun.
Dude, these are mint. Yeah, I'm probably gonna burn the rest of these off too.
I mean, you might as well. I mean,
Yeah.
you see, the fronts have some decent life. Like,
yeah, that's decent. These are, what are these? Oh, nice, Michelin Pilot Super Sports. That's nice. They did that. I can just drop the sensor in there and that's it.
Yeah. And then just reinflate essentially.
Reinflate, yeah. 255, so
There's some paint
rears.
on this one. I drove through some road paint,
I
but
see.
it's not on the wheel at all.
Yeah,
it's just
it's
on
fine.
the tire.
It's fine. There's that one. We got one more here. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Another rear.
Yeah.
I want to see the spec. Just to confirm.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have non-OE wheels.
Yeah, 10 by 19. Heck yeah, dude. This again looks so sick. I'm so pumped. Thing is, I don't know, the M2 just, these wheels on the M2 just look so good.
Yeah. I mean, I came down from 17 originally.
Yeah, 17.
And realistically, you know, the wheels are like
Mint.
500-600 a piece. And only
Correct. I
one
mean,
of
this
them
is, take a look at this. This is literally the only damage. That's like basically nothing.
And they came off the car at 10,000 miles. I only have 14,000 miles on the car, so, you know.
Yeah. Okay. So I need sensors. I'll probably.
Yeah, I think those are like 85 a piece.
I'll put them for my M2.
I'll just swap them. Yeah, that'll work.
It's just now I need tires. 1,100 bucks it is. Steal deal, in my opinion. Honestly, I appreciate your help. Here's all the.
I don't know what they're going for online, but I imagine at least 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Double count. Make sure. Oh.
Yeah, it's 11.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Sorry,
guys. It's all good. I'm super pumped. I don't know if you can see that M4, but that M4 looks super sick. F14, 4-star F14 wheels. Shout out to, what's your name?
Kenny.
Shout out to Kenny for the hookup. These wheels are gonna look so good on the M2, and honestly, guys, I know you guys are gonna love it because I got a bunch of hateful comments for my Rohanas right now, but stay tuned. M2 is gonna have a transformation. Let's load these puppies up. What's up?
You can go smoke those tires.
I probably will. We got a tunnel coming up. You know what that means? Stage 5. Put in stage 5. Ooh. This is gonna be loud. All right, guys, well, we just picked up the wheels and we're driving home. And I'm thinking, should I get new tires right off the bat or should I burn these off? And I noticed that the front ones have a good chunk of tread on them and they're Michelin Pilot Super Sports. So I'm gonna leave the front ones on, but the rear ones are pretty worn down. So what I plan to do right now is get the sensors from my wheels right now, from the Rohana wheels, put them into these wheels over here and burn off the rear tires, and then after that get a brand new set. So let's go get the wheels at home and get all those wheels to the tire shop, get them all remounted, dismounted, make sure everything is looking good, and mount them on the M2. I'm super excited. Let's go. On second thought, we're just gonna burn these tires off, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this same wheel size or tire size. So all we're gonna do is throw in the little needle, the little bead that pump up the tires. We're gonna throw those in right now, pump these tires up and put them on the car for temporary reasons. And then after we confirm on what tire size we want, we're then gonna get that tire, order those tires in, make sure they're new, make sure we get the proper ones and mount them on the car. But for now, let's pump some air into these tires just so we can get the wheels on the M2. Let's go. All right, guys, well, we pulled up to the tire shop, and last time I was here, they did not let me film, so I'm gonna respect their privacy, and I'll catch you guys after we get these wheels mounted.
A few moments later.
Well, there they are. Looking beautiful, a little beefy, but the plan is to probably grab the fronts because they have a lot of thread on them. Grab the fronts, drop onto the rears, and then get 245s for the fronts. But let's go mount them on and see what they look like. Alrighty, guys, we got the two side wheels on, and the fitment is incredible, but it is a little bit too aggressive with this tire size and the spacer. So in order for us to run this setup over here, we're gonna have to switch up the tires, which that was the plan initially, because the rear is a 275 35 19 and the front is a 255, but it is a little beefy. See that lip sticking out? So the plan is to actually burn off the rears, slap the 255s on the rear, and then put a 245 35 up front, maybe a 235, I'm not sure yet, but this is pretty aggressive, a little too much in my opinion. So it's either we get a smaller spacer, well, that's probably gonna actually have to be the plan. We're gonna put the different tire size on, see what it looks like, and then probably get a smaller spacer, because over there is a 25 millimeter. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the spacers off right now and run no spacers for now. On second thought, you know what, guys? Let's go try it out, see if it rubs or not, because pretty aggressive, but the suspension on here is pretty stiff, first of all, and we do have a little bit of wiggle room, not this way, but we have a little bit of wiggle room like that. Also, when I start moving the car, the camber is going to camber in a little bit, just hair just set where it's supposed to be sitting, and the wheel just might go back in a little bit. So let's go give it a test spin. Does not seem like it rubs at all. And these new spark plugs, man, dimes. See, we're gonna hit some bumps. Seems pretty good. Let me show you. Pretty wide. right now pull up. Close the window. We're gonna pull up right now to a fire station, just like a flat parking lot. Show you guys what it looks like. Maybe run these spacers just a little thinner tire, and that's might be perfect because it has no rubbing right now, and it looks so sick. It's like insane aggressive. But yeah, we're gonna go right here. See? Anywho, guys, it's looking so sick. I don't know. Yeah, see, the rear wheel just fell in just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. So yeah, it's all right. No rubbing. So it's looking good. It's looking very good. There's that. And there is that. Yeah, about that. This side is so gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah. I have no idea why I didn't get these wheels in the beginning, but now I have them. And obviously you guys know why I didn't get them, because I had to get those other wheels just to run the car to the frame. But now we got the car all sorts of complete, and it's looking so sick. Anyways, guys, let's head on back home and put those other two on this side, because this side just literally looks like it missed leg day, and this side looks like an M2, all beefy and just so good. All right, let's head back home. Guys, we are back at the same spot, and now we got all four wheels on. Front end is looking extremely aggressive. Man, that is so sick. This side is sitting flush and beautiful. Look at this flushness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. This is so sick. We still are gonna get different size tires just to make the fitment perfect and not scrape anywhere, but I am super happy on how this looks right now. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. One little walk around. Aggressive as can be. This is the M2. Look how short it is. It's super short like this way, but man, it's so wide. It really did some good work on this car. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look how wide it is. Alrighty. Alright guys, well, it's the next day after I did that outro, but the reason I did that outro was because yesterday was already too late to go to the alignment shop. But yeah, we just got it all aligned. We're at Marysville Firestone, and hopefully everything is good. Car is sitting pretty all around. The fitment is excellent, honestly. It's just perfect. I was thinking about switching up all those tires and whatnot, but the only change we're doing to the tires is putting the 265 in the rear. The front is just aggressively perfect. I don't know. Yeah, no rubbing. Let's go try it out. All right, guys, going on a road test now. TPMS light is on due to no sensors. The sensors are in my Rohana wheels, and when I do the swap of tires, I'm gonna swap the sensors as well. Check engine light is on because of catalyst downpipes. But anyways, the alignment seems to be perfect. It is driving straight right now. We are on the road going about 70 something, 78, and let go of the wheel, drives perfect. No pulling of any sort, everything, here it is. Alignment is literally dimes on, it's perfect. But yeah, let's feel if any shakes. No shaking. We are almost 100 and there's still no shaking. So I am very, very happy with this setup. let's go take that final look of the car. All right guys, well, we're back here the third time, and this time, third time's a charm. It's looking perfect. And I'm gonna explain to you guys a little bit what I did in the last scene. Basically what I did was preload the suspension, preload the bushings, because the car was hit on the passenger side, and when I preloaded those, I preloaded them a little bit too low. So the driver's side was actually sitting higher. And if you understand the dynamic of suspension, so here's the wheels, and the lower the car goes, the more they camber out. So the driver's side was higher, that way it had less camber, and the passenger one was lower, so it had more camber, and it kind of looked like this, and it looked like the passenger side or the driver's side wheel was actually sticking out. But we got it all leveled out. I preloaded all the suspension, and right now it's looking perfect. Let's take a look one more time at everything. So I gave a test spin, basically with 2 passengers, no rubbing whatsoever. Everything is perfect. Actually, just a tiny bit of rubbing in the back left, right over here. And we're gonna actually get new tires, 265s over here, and well, 265s in the rear because these are 275s right over here. And just that little millimeter, couple millimeters is gonna be perfect for it not to rub and have an aggressive fitment, because this right now looks so sick. Take a look at it, man. Let's go, final walk around this way. I'm actually very happy I found these wheels, and I got a steal deal on them for 1,100 bucks. No curbing besides the front left has just like this inch of curb rash, but it's so tiny you can't even tell. Man, I'm super excited. But anyways guys, that is actually gonna be a wrap for this episode of Backyard Boys. I hope you guys enjoyed me getting new wheels for this car, because these wheels right here, they decorate the car so much better. But anyways guys, I'm ready for a new build, so comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this build actually, and comment down below what build you guys would like to see next on the channel. I'm open to anything, domestic, European, Japan, it doesn't matter. JD, I don't care. I like all sorts of cars, and I just love working on cars in general. But with that being said, this is actually gonna be a wrap for this episode of Backyard Boys. And if you guys are new to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right over here, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Also guys, I do post a lot of sneak peeks on my Instagram at BYBTib, so feel free to follow that if you guys want any sneak peeks or anything of these builds over here and future builds possibly to come. But with that being said, you guys have a beautiful day, because I'm peacing out.